Commissioner of Railway Safety, Bangalore. You must be aware that railway has to do the passenger comfort as well as ensure the safety of the passengers. So we are very honored that our Commissioner of Railway Safety, Shri Manoharan sir, has come to our division and inspecting the safety preparedness and safety of the track, bridges and all these things to this section. So we are welcoming our CRS sir. And one thing I would like to note that you must be seeing that development we are taking place at Karur. Recently, Honorable Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Shri Thambi Durai ji, that since last 2-3 years he was asking that LUS to be maintained so public can be, so whatever the work was assigned to us, we have already completed at Karur. And you must be seeing that Karur, lot of improvement is taking place. And we are also having something in mind that this expansion of Karur passenger amenities further. Moreover, that I am thinking that we should have one AC waiting hall, but no people are coming for AC paid waiting hall. So we are trying that the persons that who are come to the railway station and want to have this AC facility at railway station. So AC waiting hall will be created here. And you will see that the people, it should be the Wi-Fi compliant also, so people can work over here. So that's all from our side, that all of your work, whatever were given to us, most of the work we have completed, and remaining work will be completed within this financial year. If you have any question, kindly raise that question. You know that the decision of starting the train or augmentation of the train or those decisions cannot be taken by the division. We are limiting ourselves, but we have your DRUCC representative from Karur had come and they have represented. Those representation we have forwarded to the headquarters. So that next timetable committee, they will all discuss if found feasible that whatever the trains you people are demanding, we will give you.
Sir, good morning.
My name is Hari Shankar Verma, Divisional Railway Manager, and sir is the Chief Commissioner of Railway Safety, Mr. Manoharan. Thank you. Of the common people, safety of the people. Generally, the CRS, Commissioner Railway Safety, come when some accident happen to inquire the accident. But it is also the nice positive job of the Commissioner Railway Safety to see that everything is okay. So he has come to this division to inspect us. What? Electrification work is going on. Electrification work is going on, and it is on fast pace. And we will see within March 2018 this will work be completed. Thank you.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
PRM Zindabad.
PRM Zindabad.
Zindabad, Zindabad. PRM Zindabad.
PRM.
You should not delay the train here. Take.
Start